Hello everybody, I'm Miss Hilary and I am so happy to be here with you today talking about sounds and words and sounds in words. So the last time that I saw you, we talked about sounds and we talked about how when you put sounds together, you make words. We have the sound and we have the sound up, 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 up. That's right. So we know that we can put sounds together and make words, but we can also take words apart and find those different sounds that are in those words. We are going to be sound detectives. We are going to listen to the words and pick out the sounds in the words. I found a cookie. Now, cookie is the word for what this is, a cookie. Cookie has sounds in that word. So we can break up the word cookie into its sounds. So if we broke our cookie into its sounds, we would get 4 parts because cookie has 4 sounds. K, k, e. K, k, e, cookie. Cookie! We get a cookie! Okay, sound detectives, I found another word. Ooh, it's a sun. A sun. All right, let's listen to that word and see if we can find the sounds in sun. So what's the first sound in sun? Yeah, it has that S sound. And what's the last sound in sun? Yes, it has that N sound. And what's that middle sound in sun? Sun. Yeah, it has the sound in the middle. So we have a S and an and an N, sun. Let's try the first sound. The first sound in sun is a S sound, and that is usually made by the letter S. So let's see if we can make the letter S for our S sound with our body. Can you do it? You can lie down and try, or you can do it standing up. Let's try and make that S shape for our S sound. Woo! Okay, now let's try and see if we can make the letter that makes the sound in sun. And that is the letter U in sun. So can you make that shape with your body? Ready, set, go! See if you can do it. See if you can make your whole body into that shape. Woohoo! Okay, let's try our last letter in the word sun, which makes our sound. Let's see if we can make that letter N that makes that sound with our bodies. Ready, set, go! Oh no, see if you can make that N with your body. See if you can do it. Woohoo! Okay, sound detectives, I found another word. What is it? It's a bed. Do you have a bed in your house? I do. Bed. Okay, we've got our word bed. Now let's listen again. Bed. What sounds do you hear in the word bed? What's the first sound you hear in bed? Yeah, it's a B sound. B. And what's the last sound you hear in bed? Bed. What's that last sound? Yes, it's a D sound. A D sound at the end. And what's that sound that we hear in the middle of bed? What's that middle sound? Bed. Yeah, it's an sound. We hear our sound. So we have our B, our and our D. Bed. Hey. I know a song that talks about a bed. Do you know what this is? It looks like a little tiny guitar, doesn't it? It's kind of like a guitar, but it's smaller. It's called a ukulele. A ukulele, a ukulele. And instead of 6 strings like a guitar, it has 4 strings. 4 strings. So it's smaller and it has 4 strings. But you can play it like you can play a guitar and play songs. All right, I'm ready to start our song. It's called 5 Little Monkeys, and it's about some monkeys on a bed. If you know it, sing along. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now how many are there? Yeah, there's 4. Here we go. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. We've got 3. Here we go. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many do we have left? We have 2 monkeys. And there's a word in there. On. They were jumping on the bed. What are the sounds in the word on? Ah. On. Very good. Here we go. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys. We have 1 left. 1 more. Here we go. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys straight to bed.
Hello, I'm Leonard, and I'm here to say I hope you have a special day.
Our friend Leonard was doing a little bit of a rap song for us. Now, I'm thinking it would be fun for us to sing a... Oh! Hello! Oh, it's my friend Allie the alligator. And what's fun about Allie the alligator is that when you press on her teeth, you never know when her mouth is going to shut. Hey, that makes me think of a poem about opening and shutting. Oh, maybe we could do that as a rap together. Okay, before we start our rap song, we're gonna do some hand movements with it too. So start with your hand like this. And when I say open, I want you to open up your fingers like this. And then when I say shut, you can close it up tight like this when we shut them. Like when Allie shuts her mouth like this. Hey, shut. Sound detectives, can we find the sounds in the word shut? Shut. The first sound I hear is a sh sound. Shh. And then I hear a ah sound, the same sound in our word up from earlier. Ah. And then the last sound I hear is a t sound. So we have sh, ah, t. Yeah! Nice job. Okay, I think we're ready to start our song. Here we go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. See if she... Oh! She snapped, snapped, snapped. Woo! Let's try it again, everybody. That was fun. Are we ready? Rap along with me. Here we go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap those hands. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. See if she will snap, snap, snap. Is she gonna snap? Is she gonna do it? Is she gonna do it? Is she gonna do it? Ah, she snapped. Okay, sound detectives, you all did such a good job today with your sounds. So I have 2 more words that I want you to listen to, and I want you to find the sounds in those words, and you can tell your family and you can tell your teacher what they are. So here's your first word. What is it? It's a pig. So your first word is pig. So what sounds are in the word pig? And I'll give you a clue. There are 3 sounds in the word pig. And your next word is ball. Ball. What are the sounds that you hear in the word ball? Thank you, everybody. It's been so much fun today. I hope you have a great day.